Jantsa, having started the business in Aydin, with only producing agricultural rims in 1977, is now actively in production of rims for tractors, agricultural vehicles, work machines, heavy, light commercial and military vehicles. Jantsa has an annual production capacity of 1.8 million steel wheels and has over 1,000 employees who are all proud of being part of the company, which is among the top 500 companies within Turkey. This success story surely depends on its global sales by exporting to 85 countries in 7 continents, which today exports 8% of its production worldwide. In order to enhance production processes, we have started big projects with actions to improve quality to top levels and also combined activities to protect our environment and keep our workers safe. Furthermore, it has become a great value within the sector, employees and customers by developing and improving all processes with the start of Jantsa OPEX, established in early 2018. In addition, it continues to provide education with our Vision 2023 objectives. Jantsa has activated the MAS project, known as the System of Production Management, in order to control the whole organization, taking into consideration the health and safety, environmental quality and on-time delivery as being the most important priorities. By using the barcode system, our company gained speed and became more flexible in responding to spontaneous changes to customers' needs and also analyses databases in the shortest period. Therefore, it results with high increase in efficiency and quality. Jantsa is responsible and intensive for everyone who steps into our plant and gives high importance to health and safety. In this case, we welcome all visitors by providing necessary safety equipment and by having everyone go through a brief training before entering the production site. Jantsa is continuously developing its operators' awareness with several training on workplace, health and safety. We are paying great attention on protecting the environment. In order to prevent pollution, we use solar energy for providing our electrical and power needs. We are very intensive to nature, so renewable energy sources like solar energy is of great importance and is used effectively. Moreover, our company takes carbon footprint under control day by day with the energy projects in place. Jantsa, which has been working with the principles of ISO TS 16949 in quality control, enables a continuous improvement of the product presented to the customers. Jantsa provides high-quality welding for its products through ISO 3834 Fusion Welding Management, along with ISO 14001 Environment, OHSAS 18001 Health and Safety, ISO 50001 Energy Management Systems, and ISO 27001 Information Security Management System enables Jantsa to improve the operational excellence, workforce safety, and protect natural resources, and gives a guarantee to protect information especially belongs to the customer. Jantsa has a dynamic and continuous working improvement focused staff, and it is undeniable that the team-orientated working approach is the key among the organization. Jantsa is high up among the other companies with the advantage of safety, quality, delivery and cost, and targeted to adapt their needs regarding industrial development such as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 has already been integrated into daily operation to maximize the efficiency with the highest quality standards. Jantsa knows it has made a great step to going parallel with today's world by activating automation during critical processes. Jantsa focuses on research and development for all the processes by applying modern technologies in its R&D side. In that manner, the company invested on quality laboratories and equipped them with new technology to serve the operation, company and the customers. Jantsa has been testing and experimenting the products in its own facility, using the high technology with testing and measuring devices. Because of that, Jantsa always presents safe and reliable products to its customers. Jantsa has the capacity to provide rims with grey or black e-coat and also provides top coat of 200 different colours for its customers, with the highest level of resistance against corrosion. Jantsa has the highest amount of product diversity in the world, having more than 300 rims differing in dimensions and almost 700 kinds of types made Jantsa the top company which controls the ability to meet today's demands in the automotive industry. In line with well-equipped production lines, Jantsa also applies flexible production principles perfectly. Jantsa is proving its power and high quality in the sector by always targeting to be the top level. It does make a difference in people, environment, quality, capacity, delivery and customer relations by continuous development in technology. We are problem focused. We care and produce for our customers, for the ones who work for us, and aim to make a better world. Because we are Jantsa. Because Jantsa is where we belong.